Hey guys, it's your favorite YouTuber, Vivan Lahane, Superstar Spy. Today I'm going to show you a new unboxing video. So this is a gift from my friend, Daksha. And she sent me a card, so I'm going to read it. A gift for you. Hi Vivan, wish you a very happy birthday. Best wishes from Daksha, Ganesh uncle and Anita auntie. So my friends Daksha sent me this. So I'm gonna put it right there. And here's a gift. Take out the package. Just gonna put that box right there. This gift is so cool. Look, it's a circuit maze. Electro current logic game. It's electrical current logic game. There's 60 beginner to expert challenges. And it's such a cool game. You can also think, and it's fun over here. So now I'm gonna open this and let's see what's inside. Look at all of this, it's so cool. Some stuff like this, and this, and this. Look at it. Like all these stuff. And here's the instruction manual, how to play it. And here's the cards. I'm just gonna read this manual and build this game on my birthday. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and follow me on YouTube. Bye.